Everyone's freaking out. Atlas broke into pieces. Except it's not our Atlas. Let me clear this up because the internet is losing its mind over the wrong comet. November 11th. Astronomers watch a comet named Atlas dramatically fragment into at least 3 large pieces. Clouds of debris. A plume trailing the leading fragment. The central nucleus shattered. Pieces separated by 2,000 kilometers and growing. You thought it was the interstellar atlas we've been tracking? The one with 13 anomalies? The one potentially heading to Jupiter? The technological candidate? It's not. This is C2025K1 Atlas. Completely different object. No relation whatsoever to 3I Atlas, the interstellar visitor. Here's why they share the same name and why that's causing massive confusion. Atlas isn't the comet. Atlas is the telescope system, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. It's a NASA-funded program that scans the sky looking for near-Earth objects. Both comets were discovered by the same telescope network. That's it. That's the only connection. Same discovery system, same naming convention, completely different objects. C2225K1 came from our solar system's Kuiper belt. It made its closest approach to the Sun on October 8th at just 50 million kilometers. The intense heating from perihelion undermined its structural stability. The nucleus couldn't handle the thermal stress. It broke apart. This is what normal comets do. Ice and rock held together loosely. Get too close to the Sun. Thermal expansion creates cracks. Structural failure follows. Fragmentation occurs. Textbook comet behavior. The fragments are currently visible near the Big Dipper constellation in Ursa Major if you have a backyard telescope. Astrophotographers are capturing the debris cloud in long exposure shots. It's dim, it's fragmenting further, and it's behaving exactly like a natural dying comet should. Now here's why this matters. One atlas broke, one didn't, and that's actually significant. 3I Atlas, the interstellar one, passed perihelion on October 29th at 203 million kilometers from the Sun. Much farther out than C2025K1, but still exposed to intense heating. It exhibited massive non-gravitational acceleration, suggesting either enormous outgassing or active propulsion. If that acceleration came from natural outgassing, 3I Atlas should have lost at least 13% of its mass. For a 5-kilometer object, that kind of mass loss creates structural stress. Fragmentation becomes likely, but preliminary images show 3I Atlas remained intact. One body, no fragmentation visible. It survived perihelion without breaking apart despite the forces acting on it. C2025K1 broke because it's a normal comet made of ice and rock, fragile, vulnerable to thermal stress, natural. 3I Atlas didn't break. Either it's made of something stronger, or the acceleration wasn't from outgassing at all. So when you see headlines screaming Atlas breaks apart, or Atlas fragments near Sun, check which one they're talking about. C2025K1 Atlas broke. That's expected. That's what ice comets do when they get too close to the Sun. 3I Atlas, the interstellar one with all the anomalies, the one potentially targeting Jupiter, the one that course-corrected at perihelion, stayed intact. That's the difference. That's why it matters. Now you know, different atlas, different comet, one broke naturally, one survived mysteriously. Share this so others know which atlas we're actually watching.